Cats, the enigmatic and captivating creatures that have graced human households for thousands of years, possess a truly remarkable skeletal structure that sets them apart from other animals. Their highly flexible spines, lack of a collarbone, and extraordinary range of motion in their limbs enable them to contort their bodies and effortlessly navigate through narrow crevices and confined spaces, displaying an uncanny ability to squeeze into seemingly impossible places with remarkable agility and grace.